Hi dears, welcome to my channel. Today I've made no coconut kadala curry and Aval ya Poha Puttu. This is the staple food in all Mallu house. I'm making this kadala curry without coconut, but still you'll get that thickness. I'll show you how. If you like my recipes, please do consider to like, share and subscribe. Let's start. In a cooker, I'm adding overnight soaked black chickpea or black chana and 3 tablespoons of onion chopped and 1 small tomato chopped, salt to taste, and add 3 cups of water and 2 teaspoons of coconut oil. Now close the lid. Cook it till 3 whistles. Keep it aside till the pressure release. After pressure released, open the lid. Chana is cooked. Now take 4 tablespoons of cooked chana and add little water and make a fine paste. This helps us to get thickness to the gravy. The next step, you need half teaspoon of fennel seed, that is perujeeragam. Crush it. Then add 3 big garlic cloves and 1 inch of raw ginger. Crush everything well. Or use the small mixie jar to crush. In a pan, I've added 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. In that, add crushed ginger garlic and saute it for a minute till the raw smell leaves. Then add 2 medium-sized onion chopped and 3 green chilli slit in between and 1 strands of curry leaves and salt to taste. When onion becomes soft and slightly turn into a light brown color, then add all the spice powder. Keep the flame in low and add half teaspoon of normal chili powder, 1.5 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and half teaspoon of garam masala and 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder. Saute it till the raw smell leaves. Then add 1 small tomato chopped and add little water so that tomato and masala cook well. In between, give it a stir. Now open the lid. The tomato has become very soft and masala, everything has been cooked well. Now it's time to add the chickpea paste we made. This will give the good thickness to the gravy. Then add the cooked chana. Mix it, then cook it further. Curry is reduced, but it look watery, but when it cools down, it will get its thickness. At the end, add 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder. This will add the flavor. For seasoning, I have taken coconut oil. When coconut oil become hot, add handful of shallots, that is cherry ulli, or add the normal onion. When it turns to light golden color, then add curry leaves. Add this into a delicious and flavorful kadala curry. Cover it for 10 to 15 minutes. This will enhance the flavor and taste. For this delicious kadala curry, let's make easy aval put. Here I have taken the 4 cups of red aval. You can take white, anything is fine, but dry roast it and make it crisp. Shift this into a plate and let it cool down completely. After it's cooled down, add this into a mixie jar and blend it. This is the texture you have to get after blending. Add a pinch of salt, then sprinkle little water and mix. To know the right consistency, when you press the aval mixture, it will hold a shape. But when you touch it, it will crumble apart. This is the right consistency we need. I have taken a small put maker. In the beginning, add coconut grated, then add put mix. And end it with coconut grated. When a water in a cooker boils, steam will come out from the nozzle of a cooker. Then keep the put maker on the nozzle. After 2 to 3 minutes, when steam comes out of the lid, this indicates the put is ready. The Aval mixture should be in a room temperature before adding water or it will create lot of lumps. Thanks for watching.